Welcome back, dear students. This is our 13th lesson for mensuration, and in today's lesson we will solve some further past year exam questions. Let us start our today's class. Lesson number 13, past year topical part 6. Question number 1. An open rectangular tray has inside measurement of length 11 centimeter, width 6 centimeter and height 5 centimeter. This is open from here. This is open top. It has a base and it has 4 walls. We have to calculate the total surface area of the 4 sides and base of inside the tray. As you generally for a rectangular solid, we have formula for surface area. We have formula 2 times length into width. Length into width is basically base and top plus length into height. These are basically front and back walls plus width into height. These are side walls. But over here, we don't have any top. Top is not covered. So this top is opened. So we will write in this case, surface area will be length into width is 1 time. Length into height and width into height will be 2 times. So what will be the surface area of this tank? Length into width, length is 11, width is 6, 11 into 6. This will be 1 time plus 2 times 11 into 5 plus 6 into 5. So this will be 66 plus 2 times 55 plus 30, and this will be 66 plus 170, which will be 236 centimeter square. This was answer to the part 1. In second part, we are given that the cubes are placed in the tray and a lid is placed on the top. Each cube has an edge of 2 centimeter. So we are placing small cubes like this of length 2 centimeter each. It has two length, width, height each is 2. So how many cubes will be placed over here? There will be 5 cube placed and we will be left with 1 centimeter in the length. So lengthwise we will have 5 cubes and widthwise we will have 3 cubes of 2, 3. And height wise we will have only 2 cubes, 2 plus 2, 4. This 1 centimeter will be hollow. So 2 cubes will be placed height wise. So total number of cubes placed will be 30. I hope this is clear. This was quite straightforward. Second question of today's lesson. The ventilation shaft for a tunnel is in the shape of a cylinder. The cylinder has a radius 0.4 meter and a length 15 meter. We have to find the volume of the cylinder. What is volume? Formula for volume of a cylinder? This is pi r square h. In this case, radius is 0.4 meter and height is 15. When you will use your calculator, you will get your answer, which will be 7.54 meter cube. So this was quite easy. In next question, we are given the cross section of the tunnel. This is the tunnel. This angle is 110. This radius is 4.5 meter and angle AOB is 110 degree. We have to find the area of cross section. Area of cross section is basically this area, whole area, which consists of this triangle and this major sector. First of all, what will be this angle for the major arc? This angle will be reflect angle AOB will be 360 minus 110 which will be 250 degrees. So what will be area of this sector, major sector? First of all, we will find this area. This area of sector will be 250 over 360 into pi r square. And what will be area of this triangle, this area? We will use sine laws. This will be 1 by 2 into 4.5 into 4.5 into sine 110 degree. This area of sector will be 44.1786 and area of triangle will be 9.5144. When you will add this to get the shaded area, this will be 44.1786 plus 9.5144, which will be rounded off to 53.7 centimeter square. Area is always calculated in unit squares. I have rounded this to 3 significant figures. Third part. In the third part, we are given that this tunnel is 1750 meter long. Car drives through the tunnel at an average speed of 45 km per hour. We have to find the time taken by the car to travel through the tunnel. We know that time is equal to distance over speed. In this case, the distance is 1750 meters, but speed is in kilometer per hours. So for that, first we have to convert this speed into meter per second. You know how to do that. This will be 12.5 meter per second. Now time will be given by 1750 meters divided by 12.5 meter per second. When you will use your calculator, you will get this is 140 seconds and you can convert it into 2 minutes and 20 seconds. I hope this is clear. Last part of this question. The diagram shows a position of tunnel entrance T and two road junctions PQ, P and Q. They are on, all these three are horizontal ground. Q is due north of P and T is on the bearing of 62 from P. PT is 450 meter and QT is 720 meter. We have to find the bearing of T from Q. Consider this triangle and we will use sine law to find this angle. I can write sine PQT over 450 is equal to sine 62 degree over 720. From here I will find sine PQT is equal to sine 62 over 720 multiplied by 450. When you will use your calculators to simplify it, you will get 0.55184. You will use your calculator to find angle PQT, which is basically 33.5 degree. This is angle 33.5 degree. So what will be bearing of T from Q? This will be this, which is required bearing of 180 minus 33.5 degrees, which will be 146.5 degree. I hope this is clear. Our third question. We are given a sector OAB of a circle whose center is O and radius is 11. Angle AOB is 134 degrees. We have to find the arc length AB. Very straightforward. Arc length AB will be calculated as angle is 134 over 360 into 2 into pi into r, which is 11. When you will use your calculator to simplify it, you will get your answer 25.73. 25.73 centimeter. Second part, we have to find the shortest distance from O to line AB. From O to AB. Okay, if I draw a perpendicular from O to AB, this will bisect this AB as well as this will bisect this angle 67 and 67. From this diagram, let this point be D. From this diagram, from the triangle OBD, we see that cos 67 degree is equal to OD over OB. Cos 67 degree is equal to OD, which is the shortest distance from O to AB, and OB is 11, and hence OD will be equal to 11 multiplied by cos 67 degree. And when you will simplify this, you will get this shortest distance is equal to 3.4 centimeter. I hope this is clear. Now we move to question number 4. Sorry, we are still left with a second part of this question. We are given a cone. This height is 9.5. This radius is unknown and its volume is 115 centimeter cube. In the first part, we have to find its radius. We have a cone. This radius is unknown. What is formula for volume of a cone? Volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square into h. We are given volume 115. This is equal to 1 by 3 pi r we have to find. H is 9.5. From here, we will get r is square is equal to 115 multiplied by 3 divided by pi multiplied by 9.5. When you will simplify, you will get r square is 11.56, which will give r is equal to 3.4 centimeter as required. In the second part, we have to find the curved area of this cone. Dear student, we know this height. We just calculated this radius. We know this height. So we can find the slant height by using Pythagoras theorem. Slant height L is given by 9.5 square height square plus 3.4 square radius square root. With the help of calculator, you will find this slant height is 10.1 centimeter. Now curved surface area will be, what is formula for curved surface area? Pi r L. Pi into 3.4 into 10.1, which will approximately be equal to 10.108 centimeter square. I hope this is clear. Fourth question. AC and BD. AC and BD are diameter of a circle. Its center is O. AC is 12. This AC is 12. And angle AOB is 130 degrees. We have to find the area of triangle AOB. It's very simple. We will use sine rules. Area of triangle AOB is 1 by 2 into, this diameter is 12, so this radius will be 6. this will be 6, this will be 6, two side and their included angle is given. So area will be 6 multiplied by 6 into sine 130 degree. So what will be this area? With the help of calculator, you will find this is 13.79 centimeter square. In the second part, we have to find the area of sector AOD. This is sector AOD. What is angle of this sector? This angle will be 180 minus 130, which will be 50. So we have to find area of this sector, this area. It's very simple. We will use formula area of sector AOD is equal to angle, which is 50 over 360 into pi into r square. R is 6 square. So area of this sector will be 5 pi, which will be approximately equal to 15.7 centimeter square. I hope this is clear. In the third part, we have to find the percentage of area of circle that is shaded. Area of circle is quite obvious. What is the radius of the circle? So area of circle is equal to pi r square, 36 pi. And what is shaded area? Shaded area basically is twice the area of this triangle AOB, which we just calculated in part 1, 13.79. This area is 13.79. This area is also 13.79. We need these two areas. We have the area of this sector. Let us find the area of this segment AD. This one, this segment AD. For that, what we will do, we just calculated area of sector AOD, and now we calculate the area of triangle AOD. Area of triangle AOD. Again, we will use sine law. What is this angle? This is 50. This side is 6. This side is 6. So area of triangle AOD will be 1 by 2 into 6 into 6 into sine 50. So area of triangle will be 13.79 and area of sector is 15.71. Shaded area is 2 times area of shaded segment 15.71 minus 13.79 plus 2 times area of triangle AOB, which is 13.79. Now this will give us shaded area will be 31.42 centimeter square, and percentage of shaded area will be shaded area divided by area of circle, 36 pi, and this will be approximately equal to 27.8%. I hope this is clear. Last question of today's class. We are given a pyramid. The diagram shows a pyramid with a rectangular horizontal base. This is a rectangle, 6.2, 4.3, length is 6.2, width is 4.3, this is 6.2, this is 4.3, and vertex F is the perimeter is vertical above the center of the base. This is center of the base E. AB is given 6.2, BC is 6.2, DC will also be 6.2, AD will also be 6.2, and AD will be, sorry, 4.3. The length of each sloping edge is 9.5. This is 9.5. This is 9.5. This is 9.5, and FD is also 9.5. We have to find height EF, and we have to show that this is 8.72. This EF. Dear student, first of all, we will find the length of diagonal of the base. Its half will be equal to EC length. And then we will use Pythagoras theorem to find this EF. First of all, let us find AC. AC, this is equal to 6.2 square plus 4.3 square and its square root. Use your calculator. With the help of calculator, you will see that this AC is equal to 7.545. This is this length. And what will be length EC? It will be half of AC. EC will be equal to half of AC, which will be 3.77 approximately centimeter. Now, we have to find its height, EF. Consider this triangle. This is base, 3.77, we just calculated. This is hypotenuse, 9.5, and this is the height, EF, we need to find. By Pythagoras theorem, EF is equal to square root of 9.5 square minus 3.77 square, and this will give us 8.72 centimeter. Correct to three significant figures. Now we have to find the volume of this pyramid. It's very straightforward. Volume is equal to 1 by 3 into base area into height. Height we just calculated. Base area is 6.2 multiplied by 4.3, area of this rectangle, multiplied by height. We just calculated 8.72. And when you will use your calculator, you will get this is equal to 77.4917 centimeter cube, approximately equal to 77.5 centimeter cube. In the third place, we have to find the angle AFB. Consider this triangle. What is this side? 6.2. What is this side? 9.5. What is this side? 9.5. What will be this angle? We will use cosine rules. Can I write cos of AFB is equal to squares of these two sides, 9.5 square plus 9.5 square minus 6.2 square over 2 times 9.5 multiplied by 9.5. With the help of calculator, you will find this is equal to 0.7870. And from here, AFB angle will be cos inverse of 0.7870, and your calculator will give you answer 38.1 degree. This is your answer to third part. Last part of today's class, we have to find the angle of elevation of F from the midpoint of AB. This AB distance is 6.2. We have to find the angle of elevation of F from AB. So angle of elevation will be midpoint of AB. This is F. This is 2.15. and this angle is this is 8.72, and this angle is theta. So tangent theta will be 8.72 divided by 2.15, which is equal to 4.0558, and from here we will see theta is equal to 76.1 degree. This is all for today's class. In next lesson, we will further solve some past year exam questions for this topic. Please do subscribe my channel. Also share it with your friends. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.